Hey everyone, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a gingerbread village with cardboard. Let's get on with the video. The first thing you want to do is that you want to draw out a shape of a front of a house on a piece of cardboard. Then you want to cut it out with an X-Acto knife. When you're done with your first house, you want to continue the same steps to make more houses, in the same shape or in different shapes. After you're done cutting out the houses, you want to measure and cut out a strip of cardboard that's the same length as the bottom of the house, and you want the width of the cardboard to be about 2.5 inches or more. When you're done with the first one, you want to create another strip of cardboard for each house that you made. The next thing you want to do is that you want to draw on windows, doors, snow, reefs, or anything else you would like to put on your houses with a pencil. When you're done drawing on your houses, you can cut out the windows with an X-Acto knife. And if you want, you can also cut out the doors, but you don't have to. Once you're done, you can outline and color everything in with a white paint marker, or with white acrylic paint. You can also add other things like dots or other shapes around the windows and the door. Once everything is dry, you can take a strip of cardboard that's for one of your houses and put hot glue on the long edge. Then you want to line it up with the bottom edge of the house that it goes to, and while you're doing this, make sure the house and the strip of cardboard are standing up straight before the glue dries. When the glue is dry, you can add more glue in the corner that's behind the house, and then you want to repeat all the same steps for the other houses. Now for the windows, you want to cut out a piece of parchment paper that's larger than each window. Then you want to put hot glue on the edge of a window and place the parchment paper on the window. Then if you want, you can add some more glue on the edges of the parchment paper. When you're done with one window, you want to repeat all the same steps for the other windows, and make sure you don't get any glue too close to the edges of the windows. The last thing you want to do is that you want to take battery-powered tea lights and place them on the cardboard that's on the back of each house. Also, if you're worried about the houses falling over, you can put a rock on the back so you don't have to worry about it. That's how you make a cardboard gingerbread village. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more DIYs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!